What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel, and we got some breaking news. So this is an article back from August 6th of 2020 with 51% attack allegations towards ETC. So ETC reported they were getting attacked, hash rate coming in from Nicehash. After the investigation, everything went through, ETC was removed from Nicehash, and it has not been back ever since. So it does look as of version 3.0.9.2, and it says pre-release, they did add support for the ETC hash algorithm. So not Ethash, this is not old or anything. This is just an update from yesterday. So I don't know if it's an early beta release. They're still testing things. Nothing is released on their official website, and I haven't seen anything in Twitter or anywhere else. So this post was brought to my attention courtesy of a member of the channel, and they brought it to light and said no one's talking about this yet. So let's look at this. Support for ETC hash algorithm. ETC is allowing Nicehash to re-implement their chain onto the network, and it looks like the marketplace is live as well. So what does that mean for ETC and other miners in general? So at this point, I think Ethereum Classic is probably fairly safe. They're going to be a pretty secure network, especially once the merge does go through. So they got delisted around here. Here's August 7th. The article is from August 6th when they're investigating, but ETC was at a very low time in terms of network hash rate. Like, look at this, 3 to 5, 6 terahash on the network. That is not very much, and it was right in this dip area here. And we can see right now it is sitting at an all-time high. Now, if we base stuff based on Ethereum's all-time high, and I know there's a huge argument. We have no idea how many ASICs are on the Ethereum network right now due to historical people talking and other live streams. Like, it does look like only 30% of the network was ASICs, and the majority of this is GPUs. But let's just take 30% of a little over 1 terahash here. That's about 300 terahash, and I believe it's peaked at 1.3, so 30% would be about 330 terahash. So if we have 330 terahash and only ASICs at 30%, we are nowhere near what we're going to see on ETC in terms of the merge. So we're going to be jumping from a 46 terahash now to a minimum of about 330. Now, we might not see that. Maybe some will turn off. Some have gave up by then because they know what numbers will look like, but we don't know for sure. But we could expect at least, potentially 300 terahash in just ASICs hitting the Ethereum Classic network. That's pretty insane, and obviously that means it'll be very expensive to attack the network at that point. So Nicehash is probably an okay option at this point, and they won't really have to worry about those attacks. So it's still very early. Like I said, no official announcements anywhere, not many details out there. It's purely speculation at this point, but it definitely looks like ETC is going to be added into Nicehash. Now, looking at the hash power marketplace, there's not very much hash rate here on the network at all in terms of Nicehash. People aren't pointing here, probably due to the fact that most people are just using the quick miner for Ethereum currently, and that quick miner will change over to probably Ergo, Raven. You can get different versions of it, or the main platform where it does do all the switching on its own. Now, keep in mind, Nicehash does not profit switch in any way, shape, or form. It only points your hash rate to where the buyer wants it. So you could be mining the least profitable coin that Nicehash supports, but you may think it's the most profitable because a buyer wants your hash power for that coin. So you got to keep these things in mind. We'll keep an eye on this as the situation unfolds and more official announcements come out. But thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.